It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, and today I want to share a special message about Black history. A few years ago, I was honored to be named a Black History Maker of Today because I was the first Black president of the National Speakers Association DC chapter, and then went on to become the first Black person elected to the National Speakers Association Board of Directors. And I was asked in an interview what was my secret, and I shared that I believe that Black history is not just about the past, but also about the present and about the future, and that we all have the opportunity to be Black history makers. We need not be the first or the second or something that we might do, but rather make a commitment to pursue excellence. Something powerful happens when you pursue excellence and never give up. So today I encourage you to be excellent at whatever you choose to do. You were born for greatness. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com, winwithwillie.com for resources to help you win more. And remember, your best is yet to come.